Hi everyone, we're here to demonstrate a beautiful FisItalia professional accordion. This is a B-system chromatic accordion, 4 sets of reeds in the treble, double two-tone chamber, and it has 5 sets of reeds in the bass. The range is 1 note more than a regular full-size piano accordion, but obviously this one is somewhat more compact. And very important point, you have here handmade reeds. So it starts from E, below the F, and it starts from E and goes all the way to A. Concerning the treble, you have here 4 sets of reeds, 1 low, 2 middle, and 1 high. And the set of low and 1 of the middle sets of reeds are tone chambered. So it's double tone chambered accordion. It's a professional accordion. Should be good for classic, jazz, or anything you would like to play. Should be a very good accordion. Bandoneon, which is 1 low and 1 middle. One low and 1 high. Bassoon reed. Harmonium, also beautiful registers. It's like a double bandoneon. It has 1 low, 1 middle, and 1 high set of reeds. Accordion. Two middle and one high. In this case, musette means two middle and one high. Violin, two middle reeds. As we see, the tuning here on the two middle reeds is pretty dry, which is definitely preferred by classical and jazz accordionists. Oboe. Clarinet. And piccolo. Third switch, the master. This should be bass piano.